just had a baby. We just had a baby. It wasn't my idea. She took a while to get here. We waited and waited. It seemed to take forever. And after all that waiting, there she was. I thought she would be bigger. The baby blinks and wiggles. Everyone thinks this is amazing. But when I blink and wiggle, nobody even notices. We both have 10 fingers and 10 toes. I counted to make sure. Mine are bigger. The baby wears a nappy. She doesn't know what else to do. I am way ahead of her. The baby grabs my finger. She holds on tight. I guess she likes me. The baby just drinks milk. No pizza, no ice cream. Too bad for baby. The baby takes a bath every day. She's learning how to splash. I'm a good teacher. The baby makes noises. She giggles and coos and burps. And she cries. A lot. That's what she does best. Now the baby rolls over. But she doesn't roll back, even after I showed her how. The baby likes to play peekaboo, but I have to do all the work. When I smile at the baby smiles back. When I frown at the baby looks scared. I try to smile most of the time. I'm glad the baby keeps trying new things. I hope she grows up soon. I have big plans for us.